We are trying to go healthy today with tofu. Ito, meron tayong blocks of firm tofu. Hihiwain ko siya. Gagawa tayo ng tofu squares. Masarap to. Pwede siyang ulam, appetizer, pulutan, snacks, or whatever. Pero today, gagawa tayo ng 3 different kinds of sauces to go along with it. So, meron tayong egg dito. 2 eggs yung gagamitin ko. Oops. Whole eggs. And para may lasa at linamnam, lalagyan natin ng Maggi Magic Sarap. Don't you worry. We will mix that with the egg. Sana kakasya. I think 3 eggs. Gamit tayo ng 3 eggs. Ayan, no? On the cornstarch, lagyan natin ng salt. Konting salt lang ha, pero at least may lasa. Dahil ang ating tofu, wala naman talagang lasa masyado. Assemble natin, arrangement natin. Instead of flour, we're using cornstarch, egg, then breadcrumbs. Prito-prito lang tayo. Masarap, pero simple. Pwede ka na mag-fry, oh. Little by little. At saka mabilis lang tumaluto. All you have to do is to make it turn golden, then ready na siya. Ayan, oh. So, eto na yung ating piniprito. Gusto ko gawin kong tostado itong aking tofu. A little bit more. And mag-fry tayo ng next batch. Beautiful! At sisimulan ko na yung aking first sauce. It's mayonnaise based. Usually may caper siya, but today hindi ako gagamit ng capers. Ang gagamitin ko ay garlic lang, whole cloves of garlic. And mayonnaise. At ang gagamitin natin, hindi cat food yan. Tuna in oil yan. Oh. That's tuna in oil. You can use spice, you can use whatever. And for our sauce, season with salt, lemon, remove the seeds, black pepper, and using our hand blender or your ordinary blender, we will combine everything. O, ito na yung ating tomato sauce. Usually, ito, pinapartner ko to siya with parang grilled pork or whatever. Very classic siya, pero simplified version na to sa atin. So, so instead, sa mga ayaw ng liver spread, gagamitin nyo tuna. So gagamitin natin, yan, yan. Masarap to. Maggi sabor na may konting anghang. Yan. It's pourable. Mayonnaise. Then we will add Korean chili paste, gochujang. Then meron tayong honey. Then ito sesame oil, salt, and no more pepper. Onion. Ito, napakasarap nito. Papatikim natin kay Ma'am Kat. Di ba yung nakikita mo, Kat, yung sauce niya, ganito, pero meron siyang liver. Di ba? Liver spread. Tikman mo to and guess what it is. Ano? No! We use tuna. Tuna instead of our liver. Liver spread. Gagawa tayo ng Pinoy manong sauce. So, garlic, onions, chili. Ano bang gagawin natin? Maanghang-anghang, matamis-tamis. Anghang-tamis. Tamis-anghang. Then, dapat pala pang-apat to. Dapat may suka tayo, yung maraming sili, di ba? Sili, bawang, sibuyas, harina, cornstarch, sugar, soy sauce. We will add pang linamnam ng konti. Mix natin. Grape juice. Yan. Mix. Yan, no? Kayo dyan, panood kayo ng panood. Kopya kayo ng recipe, pero hindi kayo nagsusubscribe. Don't forget to click the subscribe button on the Simple.ph YouTube channel. And also, if you haven't watched our recent videos, Adobong Bisaya and our Gourmet Tuyo. Stir, stir, stir. Habang ginagawa din ni Ronel yung kanyang specialty gourmet suka. Naluluha ako. Ano bang hinihiwa mo?
Uy, pipino lang to siya.
Ay, pipino pala. Ay, sorry. Akala ko sibuyas. Bakit parang yung mata ko parang toxic?
Grabe talaga. Oh.
Kulang to ng black pepper.
Yes.
Ah. Ito siya, ito pa yung kulay. Pero if you leave it, gawin mo siya ahead of time, then magiging, di ba nakikita mo yung binibente, medyo mapula-pula. It's because of the sibuyas, di ba? The red onion. Nalalagyan ng konting sili. Ako gusto ko yung pinapartner mo, di ba? Yung hinahalo mo. Ito medyo manamis-namis. Ito maasim. So, it's going to be perfect. And, let us go. Let's make tusok-tusok. Dito tayo sa classic.
Kasi ako ready na eh.
Pwede. Ito gusto ko to combination. Then may mga sibuyas, no? Merienda time! Pwede combine. Grabe, oh. Yes or no? Pwede pang family get-together, movie night, karaoke night. Eto, tofu squares with ating iba-ibang dip. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.